In this video, I'm going to show you how to change your TikTok password from a computer or laptop. Now, the first thing we need to do is head over to the TikTok website, and if you're currently signed into your account, you need to click on your profile icon and select log out. Now it's going to ask, are you sure? Just press log out. So now once you've done this, you can click back on the login button in the top right hand side, and from the list of options, you need to select use phone, email, or username. Now it's not going to work if you select any of these others, so make sure to select this option here. You can then press this option for login with email or username, and then you need to click this button here for forgot password. You then need to enter the email address associated with your TikTok account. Now if you haven't already linked an email address, you'll need to do this before you can go and reset your password. Once you've entered your email address, just press the send code button. Now that's going to send a 6-digit code to your registered email address. If you don't receive this code, or it says your email address is not registered, you'll just need to go and make sure you have the correct email address associated with your TikTok account. You can then go and enter a new password and press login. Now once you've done that, your TikTok password will now be changed, and you'll need to go and sign in using your new password.